Welcome! Today, we're exploring Google's AI Essentials course and how it can boost your career in 2026. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, learn, and create. Whether you're a student or an IT professional, AI skills are becoming essential. Google AI Essentials is designed specifically for beginners. The course requires no coding experience and is easy to follow. You'll learn how AI can improve productivity in your daily tasks. AI can summarize documents and save valuable time. It can also help generate creative ideas and solve problems faster. Businesses across the globe are rapidly adopting AI technologies. Understanding AI today can give you a competitive advantage tomorrow. One important topic you'll learn is prompt engineering. Writing better prompts helps AI provide better answers. Scene 13 text was not provided, insert your line here. Cloud computing professionals are also benefiting from AI tools. AI can automate repetitive work and improve efficiency. The course also teaches responsible and ethical use of AI. Google AI Essentials is suitable for complete beginners. You'll gain practical AI knowledge that can strengthen your resume. Employers increasingly value candidates who understand AI. AI isn't replacing people, it's empowering those who learn to use it. AI is making education more personalized and accessible than ever before. Freelancers can use AI to boost productivity and save hours every day. Small businesses are using AI to improve customer experiences and decision-making. AI can help you organize your work and automate repetitive tasks. Don't worry if technical terms sound difficult. The course explains everything in simple language. No programming knowledge is required to start learning. IT professionals can use AI to troubleshoot issues more efficiently. AI tools can help create presentations, reports, and summaries in seconds. Using AI effectively can significantly improve workplace productivity. AI is one of the fastest growing technologies in today's job market. Employers are actively seeking professionals with AI literacy skills. Learning AI today can open new career opportunities tomorrow. AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity through intelligent threat detection. Cloud technologies and AI are becoming closely connected. Completing an AI course demonstrates your willingness to learn emerging technologies. Prompt engineering is one of the most valuable AI skills you can develop. AI tools are transforming how people work across industries. AI can help increase productivity while reducing repetitive work. Companies are investing billions of dollars in AI technologies worldwide. The future workplace will be powered by AI-enabled solutions. AI learning has never been easier or more accessible. Even simple daily tasks can be completed faster with AI. Remote workers can benefit greatly from AI productivity tools. Healthcare, finance, education, and IT are all embracing AI. AI is helping professionals become more creative and efficient. Learning AI today is an investment in your future career. AI is not just a trend, it's becoming a workplace necessity. Adding AI skills to your resume can make you stand out. Professionals who understand AI will have a competitive advantage. AI literacy is becoming one of the most important skills of the future. AI is transforming industries across the globe. Google AI Essentials provides practical and beginner-friendly lessons. The course focuses on real-world applications rather than technical complexity. The skills you learn can be applied immediately in your daily work. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn and adapt. Learning AI today can help prepare you for tomorrow's opportunities. Google AI Essentials is an excellent starting point for AI beginners. Start learning AI and unlock new possibilities for your career. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of work and innovation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.